Oh, hey, I was just trying to put myself in the right frame of mind to design some faceplates. Okay, here's where we left the cabinets. Chassis installed. The next step is to take a picture. And now I just need to take a picture straight on. So I just took some screenshots. I sent them to my computer. I'm gonna take a look at them. Oh yeah, this is what I need to design my faceplates. And let's look at this other one. All right, excellent. So now I'm gonna take a steel rule, measure the chassis to make sure that I make my mock-up to scale. So on 19 and 1 7/8, 1 3/4. So the program I'm going to use for communicating with the CNC laser is called Lightburn. I like that one. There's a bunch of them. So I quickly went ahead and threw in some rectangles that measured to size and the cutout holes, dropped them over the photograph where I thought they would fit, and now we're going to get a little bit more precise. We will throw some paper in the laser and burn a couple copies and see what it looks like, and then make any adjustments that we need to, so that then when we're doing the design part of it, we already have all of our stuff. We can design specifically to kind of a locked off size. Okay, here we go. All right. All right, excellent. Got it upside down. There we go. So there we go. Perfect. Okay, so my two options that I'm thinking of going with are black with gold, black with silver. So I've drawn out the circuit that I'm going to be using, and what I need for this is I'm going to need, this is why this chassis was perfect. So I have a high and low input on 2 channels. So I'm going to have a volume 1, a volume 2, a tone, a bass, and then a speed and an intensity. So that's really the only clues you're getting there as to what it is just yet. So this panel is going to work out perfectly. I need every one of those holes. I don't have to cover any up, and it's going to be great.
Even with an exhaust fan, the smell of burning plastic when you're cutting these faceplates is pretty terrible. So I did most of my cutting overnight while I wasn't in the shop, and everything's cleared out now. I can take a look at these. I think they look pretty good. Take a look and see what you think, and let me know in the comments. And stay tuned because we'll move to the next part. And like I said, we're gonna move through this build pretty quick. And if you haven't seen how I mounted the chassis or even the little history about these cabinets, go back and check those videos out. Until next time, peace. Okay, so we started with these paper templates. And there we are. I think they're gonna look great.